Camila. I am good.
I first ask your sound also.
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Chinese food.
And what is your favorite music?
My favorite music is so it's Ed Sheeran.
And what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is tennis.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, A Walk to Remember.
And what is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is guess I'll with music. My favorite singer is no. Alan Levine. Yes.
Color?
My favorite color is purple.
How old are you?
I am 23.
What was your favorite subject?
What is my favorite subject in school? My favorite subject was math.
Do you have any kids?
No, I can't.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
What do you do for fun?
Oh gosh. For fun, I watch movies.
Yes, I think so.
No problem.